What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun or noun phrase. It refers to a noun that does not need to be named specifically. Pronouns can do everything that nouns can do. For example, Meena is playing with a doll. She is playing with a doll. Kamran loves watching movies. He loves watching movies. Sana and Huma like Italian food. They like Italian food. Shama and I are friends. We are friends. In these sentences, pronouns she, he, they, we are used to replace noun. The pronoun must agree in number with the noun that it replaces. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is a pronoun that is typically used to refer to a speaker or to the people or things that a speaker is referring to. First person singular I, plural we. Second person singular you, plural you. Third person singular he, she, it, plural they. First person pronoun refers to the speaker. Second person pronoun refers to the person being spoken to. Third person pronoun refers to the person being spoken.